This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what kind of header you have, because the how differs. First, click the sheet and visually identify the header row or printed page header. Once done, look under the View tab to see if Freeze Panes is active and unfreeze if needed. Make sure you know whether you need to delete a row, clear formatted header cells, or edit the page header in Page Layout. This choice determines the next steps. Now remove the header row itself. Click the row number at left to select the entire row, because deleting partial cells changes layout. Next, right-click and choose Delete or press Ctrl and minus to remove it quickly. If you want to keep the text but not header styling, use Clear Formats from the Home tab instead. After removal, check adjacent rows and formulas, make sure reference is updated, and adjust filters or frozen panes that relied on that. To remove a printed page header, switch to Page Layout or Open Page Setup and go to the Header/Footer tab. Choose Custom Header, then clear the left, center, and right header boxes so they are blank. Confirm with OK. Once you finish, use Print Preview to verify the header is gone and that margins still work with your content. If something goes wrong, check whether a worksheet header was deleted instead of a page header. Undo and repeat the correct path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.